In this little garage in western Denmark, big things are happening in early 2004. Timan has just been established by the brothers Henning and Birger Pedersen. Henning has come up with the unique idea of combining a tool carrier and mini loader into a new type of machine. The machine is called Tool-Trac. For 8 months, Henning works in his garage, living on half of Birger's salary, while he designs and develops the new machine. In the autumn, Birger joins the new company full-time, and the brothers start building and testing the new prototype. Exactly 1 year after Henning put the first lines on paper, the first Tool-Trac is finally finished in the garage. The brothers see potential in the finished machine and decide to continue production. Although production conditions are modest, the aim has always been to make a professional product with a focus on flexibility, comfort, and usability. Customers are happy with the product, and it won't be long before the small facilities no longer can accommodate the high demand for the machines. The two brothers therefore decide to move the small business to the village of Tim, together with the 6 employees. As fate would have it, the company is housed in the same buildings that the brothers' father, Osvald Pedersen, once built and established his own company, Timan Fabrik. The improved facilities allow for more employees and more development opportunities. Timan hires a development engineer, and is now possible to expand the product range with new equipment and new machines. All is not roses, however, and in 2008, a global recession sets in and takes its toll on the small business. Timan is stuck with ready-made machines that cannot be sold, so everything is done to save the company's young life. Thanks to a strong dealer network at MI, who have confidence in the products and believe in the future of the company, the business is bailed out and Timan stays alive. It's also in these tough times that Timan gets a significant addition to the company, when the RC750 remote-controlled slope mower is sent out of the production hall for the first time. The following year, Timan receives a capital boost from the Stubkjær Group, which joins the board and thus becomes an investor. At the same time, big brother Arne Pedersen joins as CFO. With the Stubkjær Group behind them, there is finally an opportunity to increase ambitions and invest in production conditions and product development. The major investment means that Timan adds even more machines and attachments to its product catalog in the following years, and the company gradually establishes itself as a stable player in the industry. Today, the first Tool-Trac still stands proudly in the family company in Denmark, but its surroundings have changed a lot since it was conceived in the garage. The range of machines has expanded significantly, and so has the company. Timan now operates 4 storage and production halls, producing more than 20 different machines and attachments. A dealer network has been built up, reaching from Denmark to Japan, and the range of products now covers every conceivable maintenance need. From material handling and green maintenance to remote maintenance, sweeping, and winter maintenance. Although the journey has been long and bumpy, Timan has not forgotten the vision that helped create the foundation for the first Tool-Trac. Timan innovates machines and sets new standards for use, experience, and efficiency in the industry. The interaction between job satisfaction and efficiency paves the way to the best result. That's why Timan says, comfortably better.